So hello guys and welcome back to Flutter mobile application development series. So in this video we are going to learn how to install the macOS Monterey on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So this is the continuation of our Flutter mobile application development series where many students were asking from me that how they can install the Flutter development environment on the macOS while residing on the Windows PC. So this is the answer of all those questions, where we are going to install the macOS Monterey on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel because we have been bringing a lot of free courses, content and material for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, it is also recommended to install the Flutter on the Mac operating system because you can test your Flutter mobile application on simulator, on Android emulator, on real Android phone, on real iPhone device, on every possible platform while residing on the Mac OS. So before installing the macOS Monterey on your Windows PC, we will first discuss the system environment. For this we need Core i3 or greater PC. And we also need the 16 GB of RAM, and if you have 100 GB of SSD free hard drive, then you can easily run and install the macOS Monterey and can perform your development process in a smooth and efficient way. So now let's come towards the downloading part. We have to download these files, and I will also provide the link in the description where you have to download the necessary files for macOS Monterey virtual machine. So for this we will have to open the Chrome browser. It is also recommended to open the Chrome browser, and from here simply paste this link, and from here you will see the download link. So I already have downloaded some part, so you can resume it. The benefit of this storage is to resume your downloading if you get disconnected from the internet. From here I am seeing resume. You will see the download, and from the drop down of downloads you have to select the standard install, and this file will start downloading. Simply wait a while until our downloading process is completed. Let's wait a while. So okay guys, our file is downloaded. This was a huge file, 13.819 GB. So now it's time to extract this zip file. Simply select on it, right click on it and extract here. You can extract this file with the available software on your PC. So it may take some time because it is a huge file. Let's wait a while until our extraction is completed. So okay guys, our file is extracted. Now we can see here the folder, and from this folder I have divided the installation into 4 steps. You simply have to follow each steps, and you simply have to install each step, and you will have a running macOS Monterey on your Windows PC. So now let's come toward the first step, and this is the installation of VMware Workstation. So this is actually the software which will run the virtual machine of Mac operating system on your Windows PC. Simply launch it, and we will have to install the simply setup process. Let's do it. Click yes. So from here click next. I accept the terms and the license agreement. Click next. Next. And simply install. So let's wait a while until our installation process is completed. Click the finish button, and we have successfully completed our first step. Now let's come toward our second step, that is the installation of VMware Unlocker. So actually by default the VMware Workstation player software has not the option of macOS, so we have to unlock that option search for the win-install.cmd file, right click on it and run it as administrator. So it will take some time to get the VM tools and unlock the macOS options from the VMware Workstation software. Let's wait a while. So we also have completed our second step. Now let's come towards the third step, that is the installation of macOS Monterey.iso file. So for this we have to first launch the VMware Workstation. Let's launch it. And from here we have to create a new virtual machine. Click on create new virtual machine and select the typical recommended option and click next. And from here we have to select we will install the operating system later. Click next. And from here you can see the Apple macOS options which is unlocked. And from here you have to select the macOS 13 or greater and click next. And from here you can give the any name for your virtual machine. So I will give the macOS Monterey. And click next. So we are okay with the default location and click next. And select the store virtual disk as single file and click next. And click the finish button. And before launching this virtual machine, we have to go to its saved location, which is documents, and from here virtual machines. This is macOS Monterey, and from here we have to select the macOS Monterey.vmx file and click it in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom and from here you have to write a command smc.version is equal to open and close quotation marks 0. Now save this file and close this file. So now we have to edit the virtual machine for giving enough resources to run on our PC. So from the memory I will give 8 GB or greater. So I can give the 10 GB. And from the processor allocate maximum processors as possible. So it is saying that I have not 4 processors, so I will give 2. So I will select the 3. That's fine. And from the CD or hard disk, we have to select the ISO file, which is our third step. Let's open it here. This is our third step. Let's copy the path of this file. Click browse button and paste the path, click open, and from here select this macOS Monterey and click open. Press OK. Now we simply have to play this virtual machine. So you will see the Apple logo. Let's wait a while and follow the simple instructions. So guys, from here we have to select the language. So click English language. So you will face some slowness here. Please bear it because we will troubleshoot this slowness at the end of the installation of virtual machine. Click next. And from here you have to select the disk utility and press continue button. And from here we have to select this virtual machine SATA hard drive, which is the first one, and it is saying our complete size. Click erase button. And from the name we have to give Macintosh HD and click erase button. So it will take some time to erase it. Okay, we are done with erasing. Click done. And from here you have to close the disk utility wizard. And now click on the install macOS Monterey and click continue button. And from here again click continue. And from here we have to agree with the terms and conditions. And now we have to select our Macintosh HD, which was just erased by us, and click continue. So it will take some time to install the macOS necessary files. So let's wait a while. It is saying that it will take about 18 minutes. So let's wait until these macOS installation files are. So okay guys, now you can see here the menu. Select your country. So you will witness some kind of slowness here. Don't worry, it will be resolved at later stages. Simply hover the mouse into the country list and press your country first alphabet. So I am from Pakistan, so I will press P. And from here click continue. And from here simply click continue. And from here you can select not now. So press continue button. And from here you have to select not now on the left bottom side. Simply hover the mouse over it. So the response is very slow. And from here it is requesting that sign in with your Apple ID. So if you have any Apple ID, you can enter in it. I will provide the link in the description how to create your Apple ID. So for the moment I will select setup later. And it is asking us that are you sure you want to skip the Apple ID sign in? Yes. Click on skip button. And from here we are agree with the terms and condition and click agree button. And from here you have to provide your PC name. So I am okay with my Coding Pursuit channel name and press tab button. Again press tab button, and from here you can set the password. Again press tab button and 123456. So my simple password is 123456. And again press tab button, and from here you can set the hint. If there is chances you will forget your password, so click tab button again, and it is highlighting the bag. Again press tab button and press enter. So press continue button. So now our system is creating our account. Let's wait a while. So from here click the continue button again, and from here you can select don't use the location services at the moment. So the response is slow, but later on we will resolve it at our fourth step. And from here you can select your time zone. So I am okay with the United States and press continue button. and press continue button again. And from here we can set up later the screen time, and you can choose the theme and appearance of your macOS virtual machine. So I am okay with the light version and click continue button, and you can select the dark or auto mode as per your comfort. So boom, we have our macOS virtual machine operating system successfully installed on our Windows operating system. So if I'm going to the top right side and press on Apple button, and from the about this Mac menu, we can see we have the macOS Monterey, and we have some processor and memory as well. Another thing you can see here, we have the slowness issue. Our mouse response is very slow. At the same time, we are seeing that we are not getting the full screen. So we have to get the full screen. For this, we will come towards our fourth step, where we are going to install our VM tools and the issues will be resolved. Let's do it. For this, I will close the macOS virtual machine. Simply close it, and from here click on power off. So now we have the fourth step, and copy the path of our fourth step. Then this is the path of our VMware tools. Now we have to launch the VM again. And from here edit the virtual machine settings, and click on CD or DVD SATA. Now we have to give the path of our VM tools file. Currently we have the macOS Monterey.iso file. So click on vmtool.iso file, press open and press OK button. So now power on this virtual machine again and enter into full screen mode. And now give the password we have set while the installation of macOS machine 123456. So this is my password. You can enter your own password. Now this time you are seeing this VM tools file. So double click on it. So we have the VM tools installation wizard. Double click on it. And from here click on continue button. And press install button. So we have to provide the password of our system again 123456 and click on install software. So it is saying installer would like to administrate your computer. Click OK. And from here we are seeing the notification system extension blocked. And from here some of extensions are being blocked in our VM. So simply open the security preferences right below the OK button. Click on it and from here you have to unlock this icon. Press on it. Click OK. We are doing this and press the password 123456. And click on unlock. And from here we have to allow the VM inc extension. And it is saying that a restart is required. For the moment, press not now. And again lock this button. And close this menu again. So our VM tools installation is completed. Press on the start button. So it will restart our VM machine and we will get the full screen. And we have a fast response from our macOS virtual machine as well. So let's wait passionately for it. So as you can see here, now we have a full screen of Mac virtual machine. Press the password and press enter button. And you can see here now we have a good response from our virtual machine. So our mouse is navigating at a fast speed and we can open and check any menu with a good pace. And from here we can launch our launchpad and response is pretty good. So if you are not seeing the full screen on first attempt, you can try it again. Again you have to select the VM tools and install the VM tools as well. So I am getting the full screen and a good response. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. In this video we have successfully installed the macOS Monterey on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So hope you have enjoyed the video. So in the next video we will extend the topic and we will install our Flutter installation on our macOS machine, and we will create, debug and test our first Flutter application on macOS machine while residing on our Windows PC. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share our video, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Installed.